Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a Vizio Smart TV by doing a full factory reset. If your Vizio Smart TV is freezing or acting slow, this guide will help. First, place your Vizio Smart TV on a stable surface. Make sure your Vizio Smart TV is fully powered on. Grab the remote for your Vizio Smart TV and point it at the TV sensor. Press the home button on your Vizio Smart TV remote. Wait for the menu to appear on your Vizio Smart TV screen. Navigate to the settings icon on your Vizio Smart TV. Select System from the Vizio Smart TV settings list. Scroll down to Reset and Admin on your Vizio Smart TV. Choose Reset to Factory Settings to reset your Vizio Smart TV. Confirm the reset when your Vizio Smart TV asks for approval. Wait as your Vizio Smart TV begins wiping data. Keep your Vizio Smart TV plugged in during the entire reset. Your Vizio Smart TV will turn off automatically. Wait for your Vizio Smart TV to restart on its own. Do not unplug the Vizio Smart TV while it reboots. When the setup screen appears, your Vizio Smart TV reset is complete. If the menu wasn't accessible, try the button reset method on your Vizio Smart TV. Power off your Vizio Smart TV manually. Locate the physical buttons on the back of your Vizio Smart TV. Find the volume down and input buttons on your Vizio Smart TV. Press and hold both buttons on your Vizio Smart TV. Keep holding until a reset prompt appears on the Vizio Smart TV screen. When the message appears, press the input button again on your Vizio Smart TV. Now the Vizio Smart TV will start the hard reset. Wait, while your Vizio Smart TV clears all settings. Your Vizio Smart TV will reboot again after this. Release all buttons and let the Vizio Smart TV load up. If your Vizio Smart TV still doesn't reset, unplug it. Unplug the power cord from the Vizio Smart TV completely. Hold the power button on the Vizio Smart TV for 10 seconds. This drains leftover power from your Vizio Smart TV. Plug the power cord back into your Vizio Smart TV. Turn on the Vizio Smart TV again. If the Vizio Smart TV boots normally, proceed with the menu reset. Repeat the factory reset steps on your Vizio Smart TV if needed. Check if your Vizio Smart TV remote is working correctly. Replace the batteries if your Vizio Smart TV remote isn't responding. Make sure the sensor on the Vizio Smart TV isn't blocked. Move closer to the Vizio Smart TV for better remote signal. After the reset, reconnect Wi-Fi on your Vizio Smart TV. Update software if the Vizio Smart TV shows an update option. Install apps again on the Vizio Smart TV as needed. Adjust picture settings on your Vizio Smart TV for better clarity. Reconnect HDMI devices to your Vizio Smart TV. Test the sound output on your Vizio Smart TV. Check if everything on your Vizio Smart TV runs smoothly after the reset. Your Vizio Smart TV should now be working like new. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, and enjoy your fully reset Vizio Smart TV.